Imagine walking through a jungle that was once lost and is now alive again.
Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Damián Gómez. Estamos en Quichpancash. Quichpancash significa selva bonita.
In the 1960s, the Mexican government's La Marcha hacia el Este cleared millions of hectares of jungle across the Yucatán peninsula to make way for farmland. What was once a thriving ecosystem became exhausted soil. Today, this land has a new story. Once degraded farmland, trees are returning, wildlife is coming back, and the forest is breathing again. This jungle walk is more than a nature hike. As you move through the forest, local guides share ancestral knowledge, medicinal plants, native trees, and the deep relationship the Maya have with the land. Every step helps protect this ecosystem and supports the community caring for it.
Bueno, me gustaría que visitaran el Centro de Turismo Quichpancash, selva bonita, porque decía mi abuelo, hombre que viene a este mundo y no deja recuerdos, no tiene por qué haber nacido. Aquí los invito para poder tener una conversación, un intercambio de experiencia, algo que no quiero llevarme, algo que quiero dejar, para que todos sepamos por qué estamos aquí en este mundo.